So smile the heavens upon this holy act, that after hours with sorrow chide us not.
Amen, amen. But come what sorrow can, it cannot countervail the exchange of joy that one short minute gives me in her sight.
While Friar Lawrence hopes that the heavens look favorably upon this marriage, Romeo quickly says that there isn't a sorrow that can compete with the joy of even a short minute of having her in his sight.
These violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die like fire and powder, which, as they kiss, consume. The sweetest honey is loathsome in his own deliciousness, and in the taste confounds the appetite. Therefore, love moderately. Long love doth so. Too swift arrives as tardy as too slow.
At this point, Juliet arrives, and Romeo asks her to express her love in words. But Juliet cleverly says that speaking about love is like counting one's wealth. Anyone who can count all of their money must be poor. But her love is so abundant that she wouldn't be able to count up even half of her, so to speak, money. What she's basically saying is that she wouldn't be able to express half of how much she really loves Romeo in words as she would be able to do through action. Friar Lawrence tells the two that he wants to start the marriage ceremony quickly, and so the scene comes to a close with the two lovers becoming united as one.